All right, well here we are in the Great Pacific Northwest. What was it we saw coming in? Was it Rainier or Mount St.?
No, it was Mount Coco Lopez. Well, hold on, I think I'm getting a signal. I want to get out.
Do you have your GPS?
Hold this for me, will you?
What is this?
This is the...
Is this deer bait or is this for you, sailor?
You hold that too, please.
All right, Rambo.
All right. Here, do you need any COQ10? These are the gummy ones. Yeah, I wish I could formulate a power drink that's got this stuff in it. Here's your jar.
What we read was that deer urine to attract deer.
Well, I thought we were going after caribou.
That's fine. Okay.
I mean, I don't know. The memo said something.
Caribou?
About, yeah.
Okay. Well, it's like the chicken and the egg. I mean, you need the caribou to get the piss, and you need the piss to get the caribou.
Right, but how do we get the piss out of the caribou? Maybe we'd tackle it, take it down. I brought some sedatives. Wait a minute, this isn't the right map. This is the new golf course. That's going to be important.
I know I'm not touching any caribou units. I know that's how you roll, but...
Caro units. That's a currency in some countries. All right, well, you know, our guide, the Cheney, wouldn't come with us because they never come this deep into the forest. They consider this haunted forest. All right, so who's going to keep track of direction? The sun, like, overhead, I guess, right? Then we'll know that...
And then when the sun goes under the clouds, what happens?
Well, I don't know, but I think as long as the sun, we just keep it, like, over here.
Right.
Then when we come back, as long as it's over here, right?
At our back?
Yeah.
Do you have your compass?
No. We're not hunting cockatiel. Oh, come here.
I'd rather hunt with a VP than drive with Ted Kennedy.
Let's go hunting. Let's go get some piss.
Caribou.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his.
Quick, pack it up. We need to go.
Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just did me some talking.
I personally don't really want to shoot them.
I don't even have any weapons. Plug up the nose holes with my fingers and you can hold the mouth shut until the thing runs out of oxygen. All right, well, let's get up above the canopy.
All right.
Actually, you know, one of us really ought to wait down here in case something happens. Man. By the way, where are we going next week?
A couple options are
the volcano in Tahiti.
The volcano. Is it
that
like in India?
No, it was the Interactive Science Museum for little kids in Toledo.
Are you going to shimmy up this thing like
Shimmy,
Pablo
shimmy,
going to get some
Cocoa Puff.
coconuts or what, man?
Yeah. I think there's some weather rolling in.
Why don't you just jump up, grab the thing, do a full gainer and a double Lutz and hop up to the top?
All right.
Make contact with your velvet skin. I feel your breath as you go down deeper in. Now don't hold back. Heart attack. You perspire.
clock spinning round